We don't need too much. Our wants may be too many, but our needs are very little. And I don't even envy corrupt people because they destroy themselves and destroy their children, generations unborn.
Born in Makurdi, Nigeria, Professor Dora Akunyili rose to global acclaim as a visionary pharmacist, fearless technocrat, and influential community leader. Dora's revolutionary work created a paradigm shift in the Nigerian public service when she served as Director General of National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control, NAFDAC, from 2001 to 2008.
See, fake drug is such a bad news. It is mass murder.
Known for our unwavering commitment to combating fake and adulterated drugs, Akunyili's reforms reshaped Nigeria's pharmaceutical landscape and drastically reduced counterfeit drugs circulation. Having exemplified the reality of a courageous, competent woman who challenged the ills of a dominantly patriarchal society and drove change, she became an icon for women's empowerment.
Bribery in all sectors, but the worst felt area is in health.
Dora rode where men trembled, especially a fight against fake, counterfeit, and adulterated drugs.
The evil of fake drugs cannot be compared with any.
In 2003, while Akunyili was on the way to Anambra, government fired on a convoy. The bullet narrowly missed her, with one of the bullets going through her headscarf and through the whip screen of the car. She was appointed the Minister of Information and Communication between 2008 and 2010. In the constitutional crisis in the administration of President Umaro Musa Yar'Adua, who was comatose, unable to govern, Akunyili stood alone in the Federal Executive Council, urging her colleagues to declare Yar'Adua unfit to rule. All of them but Akunyili felt that they were loyal to the late president, not Nigeria.
The area of information, I am committed to rebrand Nigeria. Nigeria is not as bad.
She was labeled a traitor and an ingrate for daring to ask them to do what was morally and judicially right. Dora, a recipient of the Order of the Federal Republic, OFR, resigned her appointment as Minister of Information in 2010, after 2 years of service to pursue a political ambition, representing Anambra Central in the National Assembly as a senator under All Progressive Ghanaians, APGA, but was defeated.
Is in health, because corruption in the health sector is murder.
Fondly known as Adorable Dora, the internationally renowned pharmacist, be best remembered as the no-nonsense Director General of NAFDAC. She died at a specialist cancer hospital in India on 7 June 2014 after a 2-year battle with brain cancer. Her death was blamed on misdiagnosis by some doctors in the United States, US. The doctors were said to have claimed she did not have cancer after a Nigerian doctor's diagnosis to the effect she had the sickness in 1998. Her funeral took place on 27 and 28 August, attended by many dignitaries from within Nigeria and beyond, including former President Goodluck Jonathan and the former Nigerian military ruler, General Yakubu Gowon.
Makes endear you to the people. It's not necessarily the big offices we hold, but the service that you render, sometimes even at our lower offices. For my children, the children of our...
Over her career, she received outstanding 900 awards, the most by any Nigerian, with over 100 more discovered after her passing.